Hello guys, welcome back. Greetings of the day depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel, Osi Hair Lounge, a channel that always brings to you most stylish, trendy and inspiring nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails and you want to stay updated on latest nail trend, then here is your go-to destination. Like, we showcase most gorgeous nails ideas here. So if you want to be getting most stylish and trending nails, just subscribe, okay? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you always get notified whenever a new video is being published. Thank you so much. So guys, today's video is packed with a lot of beautiful and gorgeous nails ideas. Like, it's so beautiful that you can't even resist any of the nails. So do watch it to the end so that you select your favorites. Here we have it in different nail designs, different nail shapes and colors. Of course, you definitely love this one. Yes, you get to see medium-sized nails ideas, long nails ideas. You can rock these nails to any occasion of your choice, like wedding, birthday parties, child dedication. You can rock it to anywhere and you're looking all good. And you get to see mostly long nails and medium-sized nails. So if you love a beautiful long or medium-sized nails, then this video is highly recommended for you. So do watch, pick your favorites, and as well share to your loved ones so they can be part of the video. And as you watch our videos, kindly do support us by giving the video a thumbs up. Okay, that's one way of encouraging us to even bring more designs to the channel. So do encourage us by liking and sharing the video to your loved ones, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.